Hey y'all, it's EbbWithTheCurls and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I apply my Unice headband wig in less than 10 minutes. 10 minutes. This video is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own money. That's just a disclaimer. They send you 2 wig caps and 2 headbands, y'all. 2 headbands. So this is what the wig looks like. I've already worn her before. She's very soft. She barely tangles or sheds. It also comes with 4 combs, 3 in the front and 1 in the back with an adjustable strap. To lay my hair as flat as possible, I'm going to use Eco Styler gel and I'm going to smooth that all around the front of my hair. Once my hair is nice and smooth, I'm going to go in with some bobby pins and pin my hair down so it can lay more flat. Once my hair is nice and smooth and pinned down with the bobby pins, I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap. And as you see, I'm pretty much just pressing the back of my hair. Even though it is short, I just want to make sure everything is nice and flat as possible. And once I do that, I'm going to go in with my satin scarf and let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now we have our foundation nice and flat. I'm going to go ahead and take off my satin scarf and I'm going to pull my wig cap back just a little bit to expose the front of my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig. I'm going to secure that comb in the back as well as the 3 combs in the front. After I secure the combs, I'm going to go ahead and use the adjustable strap as well because my head is small, so I did have to adjust the adjustable strap to fit my head more snug. And after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and secure the headband. So after you secure your headband, it's completely optional. You can wear it just like this. But for me, I do not like it like this. I like to expose the front of my hair to make it more natural, as well as to give it that seamless look as if I'm not wearing a wig. Hope y'all ain't think I was rocking this wig just like this. No ma'am, a wig look is not perfect until you lay them edges, sis. So to lay my edges today, I'm going to use the Edge Fixer Max Hold in the scent Pineapple. So now that my edges are laid, I'm going to show you guys different headbands that I like to use with this headband wig. I'm going to go ahead and use the headband that Unice sent with this headband wig, as well as demonstrate a security test so you guys can see how secure this wig is. This is the final result. You guys, I am so in love with this wig. It's so beginner friendly. You don't have to use no glue. You don't need no lace. And all it takes is less than 10 minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.